Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Burpsuite 20.04.3 on Ubuntu 24.04. First open any web browser, then go to Burpsuite official website, that is portsfigure.com. Hit enter, then click on products, then click on Burpsuite community edition. Then you provide email to download or just click on go straight to downloads. Then select the version. See here we have the professional community. I am going to download and install community edition. Select it. Then select the operating system. See here we have different operating systems. Select Linux x64. Then click on download. See download started and its size is 308 megabytes. Okay, this will take time. I am pausing this video. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. See here we have the sh file. We have to install it. ls-ltrh. So first we have to grant executable permissions. chmod. Now install it. Sudo ./uburp. Give the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Click on next. Select the destination directory. I am okay with the default one, so it is opt. Then Burpsuite community. Click on next. This is the symlinks directory. I am okay with that. Click on next. See, now it is installing Burpsuite community edition 20.25.3. See, installation is completed. Click on finish. Now go to all applications. See here we have the Burpsuite community edition. Click on it. Select the license. See, this is the terms and conditions. Select. I don't want this, so select I accept. And see here we have to select the temporary project in memory. Click on next. Use the above defaults or load from the configuration file. I don't have anything, so select it and click on next. Start the Burpsuite. See, now it is starting Burp project. Okay, it will take time. ls, this file is not required anymore because we have successfully installed. rm give burp, use the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. See, you got the Burpsuite. See, this is the learn tab. If you want to go to dashboard, click here. If you want to project, click here. Project settings, rename, etc. is there. Okay. So if you want to go to dashboard, click on here. If you want to select target, then scope, etc. information. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install Burpsuite community edition, that is in 20.25.3 on Ubuntu 24.04. But the process is same on all Ubuntu versions. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.